Hi guys, welcome back to my video, and today is the best day ever. This is what I've been waiting for. So today, I get my student squishy package. So this is, it's not fake, but I'm gonna show you guys this way because it's my, where I live. So I'm not gonna show you. But this is the student squishy package. So I didn't just got it today, I got it earlier, but my mom and dad said I have to eat, so I have to eat. And it's like, oh my gosh, I can feel it's squishy. Like, I can feel it. Okay, I'm not gonna throw this package out. It will be a remembrance. That's the heart. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's my first time to get a squishies. So let's just up like that so you will see what I got. So let's open it. So excited to open it. So it's kind of small. It's like, it's bigger than this because I only ordered 4 pieces. It's so pretty. I can't open it, like it's killing me. I think this is the panda bun right here. Because, like, it's big. I ordered the medium one. Like, I don't want to break this. It's so pretty that I have to break it. I'm cutting it with my scissor. So, like, when I was eating, I was saying, oh my gosh, I'm finally opening this squishy. Like, I can't believe it's here, and when I was eating, I keep on touching it and touching it and touching it. Why is it stuck? What the? What is? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! So I'm gonna let you guys see it first. That's what I want to say. So the first one that I got is the big eye bloom peach. That's the, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Let's push it. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I'm so happy I got this. And it's the not licensed one. I don't have the license. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so squishy. I finally got the squishy. So squishy. Let's take it out of the bag. It's killing me. Guys, it's killing me. This is the big. Oh my gosh. It's so squishy. What the heck? Oh my gosh. What did I do to my squishy? What? I got a defect there. I don't care if I got a defect. Defect, I can say. It's so squishy. Like, yeah. It's so squishy. Like, this peach is so squishy and so eye bloom. So it's so squishy and eye bloom and like, what the heck? Look, it's so eye bloom. Put it here. And it's still rising. Oh my gosh. Next one is... Wait, what? I thought it was small, but I got the big one. There's the big one. Wait. Okay, it's so pretty. I like it. Why do I got everything so big? I'm so scared to break this. It's like I'm just so slow. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm so happy I got this. It's so soft. It's like I want to eat it. Yeah, doesn't smell anything, but I don't know. It's like it does, but I don't care. So let's squish it. There's a big thing there. It's so squishy. What is the name of this? Oh my gosh, I don't know the name of everything. I'm squishing it. So squishy. I like it. And yeah. So it's not like I got scammed. But silly squishies are so good. I like the squishies. It's like, oh my gosh, it's killing me. Look at the peach. It's still rising. It's like it's one or slow rising. Okay, so I'm putting it down. It's stuck. It's not stuck. I'm gonna smell the eye bloom peach. It smells like a peach at all. Second one is. Oh, I got a small one. I got this two big one and this small. It's so. I got the happy like. Yeah. Squish it. And that's the face. Sure, there's a. So squishy, I like it. Oh my gosh, it's so squishy. Super duper squishy, and it's so pretty. And super duper squishy and slow rising. It's like everything. What did I broke it? I broke the package, but let's just put it there. It's hard. I thought the panda bun was so big, just like one of these, like these. But it was small. I did the medium one. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I got the one. I don't care if I don't get the bow, but so large, so slow rising. Take it out of the package. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy I got the squishy package and it's killing me. Take it out of the bag. It's so hard to take it out of the bag. It's like I don't want to break it. Okay, so that's the face. Squish it. So slow rising. What? So pretty. It's like, yeah. So good. So I got the squishy. So squishy. And the last in my bag is this. There's only one. So there's one for this, panda bun, and this. I don't know, but yeah. Yes, that's all what I have. And I'm so happy I got one of these squishies. And put the link down below what is your favorite squishy here. So I got the big eye bloom peach. I thought the eye bloom peach would be so small, but like there's a big defect here. Doesn't matter. So you can see there's no anything there because it's so squishy. I got the eye bloom peach. So squishy. Get this out again. Like I keep on playing on them. Playing. This is like, who's the biggest one here? Guess this. Look at it. There's, wait, what? Yeah. Squish. Got this. Squish. Oh my gosh, it's so squishy. I like it. So squishy. And I got the panda bun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video for today, and it's the best day ever because I got the squishies, the squishies, and the squishies. I might order more squishies. I might or no. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video for today. And yes, like yeah, I'm gonna be putting this one in the burger because I like it in the burger, but not in the panda bun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!